Your business, your real estate portfolio, really any venture would grow exponentially faster if you had access to funding. Let's just be honest. You know you need access to funding to really grow. And in the current economic climate, many businesses are struggling to push forward and grow. However, like usual, there's a solution. Today, we're talking about how I got my client James $282,000 in funding for his business. So the client we're talking about today is James, and he joined the Fund&Grow program in March of 2022. And as of the making of this video, he's 9 months into his membership with 3 months left. So James signed up, got all his information filled out on the client portal. Our team then looked at his reports and business information, and everything was ready to go. Within 2 weeks of signing up, we were submitting applications. So the applications are what we call rounds. So in round 1, we applied with his LLC, and he didn't need any personal building, so we went straight into business applications. The cards we applied for were Truist, a Sandy Springs Bank card, a Chase Bank card, a Bank of America card, and an American Express card. Now, when he first applied for the American Express card, we actually got declined, and then we had to use our negotiators to overturn the declination to a $7,000 approval. So we got approved for $7,000 on the American Express card, but initially it was a declination. So then on the Bank of America card, it came in at 9, and our negotiators got it up to $13,500, just a little bump. And then on the Chase card, it came in declined, and our negotiators got that all the way up to $25,000. The Sandy Springs card came in at $25,000 and stayed at $25,000, and the Truist card came in at 0, at declined, and we overturned that to $25,000 by using our negotiators. So in total, for round 1, that was a total of $95,500 for James. So the Truist card was a 0% card for 9 months, no annual fee. The Sandy Springs card was 0% for 20 months. The Chase Bank card was 0% for 12 months. And the Bank of America card was 0% for 9 months with also 1.5% cash back. All of these cards actually had 1.5% cash back. The American Express card also 0% for 12 months. So that's a total of $95,500 for James. And James utilized the funds for his real estate business, specifically to purchase supplies for rehabs, hire contractors in order to move forward on flips faster, and a variety of other real estate related things. He also worked on removing the credit inquiries with the guidance of our team in order to leave his personal credit untouched by the business applications. Then James was ready to move on to round 2. So round 2 is when we're moving on with the second batch of credit card stacking. So essentially we start the application process all over again. So after the inquiries were removed and the cards had gained some usage and payment history, we started the second round, and we used his LLC once again. So on this round, we applied for 2 Chase business cards, a Bank of America card, a Maris Bank card, and 2 American Express cards. So the results were a $25,000 approval from American Express, from the first American Express card. Then the second American Express card actually came and declined. And then through many negotiations, it got bumped up to $43,000. Then the Maris Bank card came in declined. That had to be overturned, in other words, negotiated up to $25,000. The Bank of America card came in at $10,000. Our negotiators negotiated that up to $22,500. One of the Chase cards came in at declination and then was overturned to $23,000. And then the very last card, the Chase card, it was approved for $23,000 and then got bumped up to $48,000. So for the second batch, the total amount was $186,500. So take the $186,500, add it to the initial $95,500, and now you have a total of $282,000 for these 2 batches. Now that's a fairly good amount to get on 2 batches. So round 1, the initial amount that first came in when we applied was $34,000. Our negotiators got it up to $95,000. And then round number 2, when we first applied, the only approvals we got, if you add all of them together, was $58,000. And then after our negotiation process, it got bumped up to $186,000. So in total, if the client had not been working with us, they would have gotten much less, way less than $100,000. And instead they got $282,000. And remember, we are actually doing credit positioning first. So they may not have even got $100,000 in the beginning. So $282,000 could be used for a variety of different things. Today, we covered a client in real estate, using it for real estate, for rehabbing and flipping. But your business can use it for whatever. You can use it in e-commerce. You can use it in a brick and mortar. This client was extremely happy with the results of Fund&Grow, and he's confident that he'll be able to continue growing his business rapidly using these zero interest business cards that he now has available. And guys, this is just one example of the success that our clients have achieved using our credit card stacking program. And if you're interested in acquiring business credit, we encourage you to contact us. You can look in the link below, and we have a webinar that we teach people how to get access to this funding. And so go ahead and join us on the webinar. Look below, click on the link, register for the webinar, watch the webinar where we teach you how we do this. And if you got value out of today's video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you'll join me on our next video.